Question 11, Part A. Here are the first two terms of a sequence, 2 and 8. The term-to-term rule of the sequence is multiply by 3 and add 2. So when you think about this like a function machine, the first operation is multiply by 3, and then the second operation is add 2. So we're going to run 2 first through the function machine and see if it works. So 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Add 2, 6 add 2 is 8. So yes, we've interpreted the function machine correctly. We're now going to start with 8. So 8 multiplied by 3 is 24. And if we add 2, we'll get 26. So our first number, the first number in our answer is 26. The third number in the sequence is 26. So we're then going to take that 26 and run it through our machine again, multiplied by 3, and then we need to add 2. So 26 times 3 we need to work out. So 26 times 3. So we'll do 20 times 3 plus 6 times 3. 20 times 3 is 60. 6 3s are 18. 60 add 18 is 78. So 78 add 2 gives us our total of 80, which is our fourth number in the sequence and our second number for our answer. Now 11 Part B. It says the term-to-term rule of a different sequence is multiply by 2 and add 4. The third term of the sequence is 6. Work out the first term of the sequence, so we need to work backwards this time. So if we were to go forwards, we'd multiply by 2 and then we would add 4. So we would take our statement to generate the last term. We would do 6 times 2 is 12, add 4, and we get 16 here. Now we want to work backwards though, because we're asked to work out the first term. So if we're going to work backwards through the machine, we put our numbers in at this end and we do the opposite. So the opposite of adding 4 is subtract 4. The opposite of multiply by 2 is to divide by 2. So let's just check it with 16. 16 take away 4 is 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Good, it works. So now we're going to run 6 through the machine backwards. So 6 take away 4 is 2. And 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. So our second term in the sequence is 1. So we're now going to run that 1 through the machine backwards. So 1 subtract 4, because we're working backwards, remember. 1 subtract 4 is minus 3. And then if we then divide minus 3 by 2, well, our answer is going to be negative, and a half of 3 is 1.5. So our first term in the sequence is minus 1.5.